Hi, I recently came across a jewelry brand called BABYGOLD and gave it a try. Let's check out what I got. Quick disclaimer, this is not a promotion. I'm just sharing my genuine thoughts about the jewelry items that I purchased from this brand. I ordered 3 necklaces and 2 chain extenders. Here is what I received in my delivery package: one jewelry box for each necklace and travel pouches for each chain extender. Let's start with the first item that I purchased. This is the BABYGOLD jewelry box. I'm impressed by its clean look. It has a subtle color and velvety soft touch. Okay, and it has BABYGOLD embossed on the box. I was most excited about the first necklace: handle care instruction, bubble wrap, and soft paper. This is called the Pearl on Chain Toggle Necklace. It has a mix of pearls and link chain. This is made up of 14 karat solid yellow gold and freshwater pearls. Freshwater pearls are 6.5 mm each. There are about 11 pearls, and the links in the chain are 7.5 mm in height and 5.2 mm in width. The necklace length is 16 inches and is not adjustable. I think the toggle design of this necklace adds to the uniqueness. Okay, let's see how it sits on my neck. I really like this packaging. I think this is one of the easiest necklace to wear. When I saw this on the website, I was intrigued by the design. I thought it might look good with summer outfits, but while ordering it, I wasn't sure how wearable it would be, as it looked quite chunky on the website. However, once I tried this on, my sentiments changed for the better. It feels such nice quality and is extremely comfortable. It can be paired with both formals and casuals. It's insane how many ways you can style this. Let me show you. You can wear it with only the pearl side of the necklace in the front, or with mix of pearls and link chain and the toggle in the center. You can add charms to the toggle. You can also move the toggle to either side for a slightly different look, like this, or yeah, or like this. You can wear it with only the link chain side showing on the front. You can also stack it, which further provides variety of options to style. This is an extremely versatile necklace. This ticks all the boxes for me. Such a clever and unusual design with impeccable craftsmanship and remarkable versatility. Amazing. Thanks, BABYGOLD. This is really nice. Let's unbox the second necklace. Let's remove this one. The same box, same bubble wrap and soft paper. Okay. This is called the Rainbow Gemstone Drop Necklace. As the name suggests, it has 7 vibrant color gemstones in drop style on the 14 karat solid yellow gold chain. The gemstones are genuine high quality AAA grade and are approximately 3 mm in size, which means these dainty gemstones offer radiant shine. The necklace length is adjustable and has various options to choose from. Mine is 14 to 16 inches adjustable in length. Let's see how this one sits on the neck. Honestly, the moment I saw it on the website, I instantly liked it. As stacking jewelry is a trend nowadays, I thought it would make a good stackable necklace. Now, as I'm wearing it, I think it looks good on its own as well, especially if you're wearing statement earrings. It is a dainty jewelry with pop of colors. It's stunning and is comfortable as well. I like the idea of adding colored gemstones to the usual chain. The craftsmanship is perfect. In my opinion, this is also quite versatile as you can stack it or wear it on its own. The only thing I found problematic is that the gemstone turned upside down on the chain, which shows the back of the gemstones. It doesn't happen all the time, but just something that I noticed while trying it for a few times. And it generally happens on the shorter setting. This is how it is on the 14 inches setting. Okay, let's move to the third box. Let's open this. This is called Thin Herringbone Necklace. Yes, it looks like liquid gold. Made up of 14 karat solid yellow gold. It is a dainty necklace. The necklace comes in multiple adjustable length options. Mine is 14 to 16 inches adjustable, and the chain is 2.5 millimeters width. It has a lobster clasp. Yeah, let's try this one. This is the one I had most expectations from. I like the clean look of this necklace and thought it is such an elegant piece for casual or formal occasions. It's such rich color and has such a simple design that it can amplify the look effortlessly. In my opinion, the design is evergreen. One thing I noticed in this is that it pinched my skin a bit when I first tried it a couple of times, but it has gotten better. I'm not sure if it was just because you have to get used to it or something. Yeah, but yeah, that was the only negative thing that I noticed about it. Okay, so let's talk about the prices. The pearl on chain toggle necklace is priced at $870 pre-tax. The rainbow necklace is priced at $720 pre-tax. And the herringbone necklace, which I'm currently wearing, is priced at $450 pre-tax for the 14 to 16 adjustable length option. The price for thin herringbone necklace varies with the length options. BABYGOLD also provides 20% discount for the first-time customers. So this is a nice thing and I availed it and I'm very happy about it. Okay, so now let's rank the necklaces. This ranking is based on the first impressions only. It might change as and when I start using these pieces more often. Okay, so let's start with it. I'll give the number one rank to the pearl on chain toggle necklace for its distinct style and versatility. I am absolutely in awe of it. What else can I say? When you have so many ways to wear a necklace, it's just amazing. Yeah. I think this is amazing. Number two is the herringbone necklace, thin herringbone necklace, because it's effortlessly classy. The price point is great. If you want to pick any one of the necklace out of these three and you're on a budget, go for this one. This is fantastic. The third would be the rainbow necklace. This is a dainty necklace, but it is very pricey. I wish it was a little less expensive for such a dainty necklace. Yeah. I think I'm going to keep all the necklaces for now. Each one of them is unique and are really well made. So yeah, I'm going to keep all of them. Yeah, you do have an option to return it if you order it online. You have like a 10-day return from the delivery date. So yeah. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful in some way. Okay, bye.